Hello everyone, welcome to the part 21 of report building in Power BI. So under this particular, you know, uh, so in this demonstration, we are going to have a look at how we can create the anomaly detection, or how you can detect anomalies in a continuous, trending lines. So anomaly detection is a feature in Power BI which is provided for the line graphs, where on the x-axis we have a continuous time data. Okay, so on those we can create an anomaly detection pattern. So let me show it to you over a new page. So I am creating a line graph over here, and remember, the line graph x-axis time duration that you are putting should be a single field. Okay, so it cannot be a hierarchy, so you have to put up a single field. Okay, so suppose I put up, maybe instead of a month, let me take week. Okay, so on the x-axis, suppose I put the week, and on the y-axis, suppose I put the profit values, or maybe I put the total quantities that are ordered. Okay, so I'm putting the order quantity on y-axis. So this is a simple line graph that is created when we are talking about the quantity versus time. Now in this graph, under our further analysis portion, we can see that there is a portion where we can have a, a band for detecting anomalies. So anomaly is something where, where your actual values are shooting up, or are kind of going too much down than the expected band. Okay, so there is always a range of expectation for any upcoming values. So it will have a maximum range of expectation, a minimum range or minimum value that is expected. And if your outcome goes beyond the minimum or maximum value, that is supposed to be an anomaly. So anomaly can be different according to different kind of applications, according to your own project. So here we will be having a look at it, actually how to create that anomaly band, and then you can set it up according to your application. So here you can see it has created a band which is covering all the points and no anomaly is shown. Okay, but under the options, if I increase the sensitivity a bit, so if suppose I am increasing sensitivity, instead of 71%, I am maybe having it close to 90% of something. And if I apply it, so you can see that the band is reduced. What is the meaning of reduction in the band? That means the maximum and minimum value that are expected over each point is getting reduced. And here you can see it is pointing out that at this point, in this week, which is 14th of February 2022 week, there is an anomaly detected. Okay, where the expected value was should be 1785, and actual order value was 1888. Okay, so minimum value was supposed to be this, maximum value was supposed to be this, so your actual data should fall between this range, but actually it shooted up and it went to 1888. Okay, so in many of the businesses such anomalies could be detected, and we are interested in knowing their cause. So when you click on this bubble, you can notice that it will try to explain. So sometimes there is no explanation to it, so it's okay, but here it will give you some explanation. Okay, even for explanation you can add the data that I want to explain it by the return rates or year or something. Okay, so yes, so if you have these respective fields, according to that you can add the explain by parameters as well. All right, so this is the anomaly detection in our visuals. Remember, they can only be used with the line charts, where in the x-axis we have a continuous data which is time.